everyone, and welcome to Git Good, where we bring you top tips on using GitHub better and faster. There's lots of really cool 3D printing projects floating around the internet. These 3D projects use a file called an STL file, which is a 3D image of the project you want to print. This allows you to print objects like GitHub Halloween Pumpkin or GitHub Skyline. Did you know you can view these STL files in GitHub? Upload an STL file to any repo on GitHub. Once the file has finished uploading, click the file. You should see a 3D version of your file. Select to view your file as a wireframe, surface angle, or solid object. You can use your mouse to navigate the 3D image. And that's not all. If you change your 3D file or add additional features, you can view the difference as a 3D image. Open your pull request or changed file. Click Display the rich diff and click Revision slider to display the slider. Now you can easily see the changes made to the file over time. So try this out for yourself today and upload your GitHub Skyline STL file to any repo on GitHub. Thank you all for watching and tune in again next time for more top tips.